This is Nurse Darek again from Tyler, Texas. Tonight I'm gonna be making a Korean meal, healthy and delicious. It's called Japchae. First, I'm gonna saute all these ingredients, okay? We have egg. It's a fried egg that I prepared earlier. Green onions, mushroom, red bell pepper, carrots, and I'm gonna use some brown sugar, soy sauce, sesame seed oil, peppercorn, and sesame seeds. I'm gonna be using extra virgin olive oil to saute my vegetables and other ingredients. Saute. First, the mushroom. While I'm doing this, sauteing, you might be wondering what is Japchae. Bruce is gonna tell you what is it. I'm just sauteing my mushroom right now, okay? Saute until it's done.
Okay. Japchae is a simple Korean noodle dish layered with a rainbow of vegetables with a steak. Japchae is made with Korean potato starch glass noodles, which are really light and completely gluten-free for those who are interested in having gluten-free meals.
Continue sauteing until it's cooked. And I'm gonna put, this is layer of half a teaspoon of soy sauce. You don't want it too salty. And this is my half a teaspoon of sesame oil. That's only half. Really easy. Prepare your vegetables earlier, that way you don't have to cut them while you are sauteing your vegetables, things like that. I am cooking japchae. Japchae, Korean vegetable. Korean meal, healthy and delicious. One down, put it right here. This is the finished product. The Korean sweet potato noodle is cooking right now. This is the Korean noodle. It is called Japchae noodle, sweet potato starch noodle. You cook it for 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Let's go with our green vegetable. Cook your green onions until it's glossy. Little bit of soy sauce. little bit of sesame oil, sesame seed oil. Smells good. I hope I can get you something and I can give you some. Oh, if it's your first time to visit my channel, you can subscribe below, subscribe button. You can also share if you like this menu. Don't forget to like. There, you put it on the side. Layer them. Next up is our bread, orange. "20 seconds, okay? Green bell pepper. 20 seconds for that.
That's red bell pepper, but green is okay.
Red bell pepper. Red bell pepper. Then you put your carrots. Do not overcook, becomes soggy. A little bit of soy sauce, half a teaspoon. And half a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Good timing. This time, I had to get my meat from the refrigerator. I marinated it for 2 hours. 2 hours. Let's cook this until the meat is no longer pink. And I put a teaspoon of brown sugar. You can use brown or white. This is very easy. While that is cooking, I'm gonna be draining the noodle. If you have company, big company that is coming to your house, you can cook this. Easy. This is it, pan set. See, it's glossy. Right there. And because it's long, I'm gonna cut it with my scissors. It's too hot. Give me a minute. That's too hot. My scissors is kitchen scissors. I disinfect my scissors with Thieves household cleaning. I'll show you. It's 99% that you can clean the surface of whatever you're cleaning. It's multi-purpose. It's infused with essential oil. It's all from plants, plant-based, okay? So, we'll clean it. Clean it. I already have, this is concentrate, sulfur concentrate, so you can use 6 cups according to 6 cups, 6 tablespoons. According to the instruction, says 30 parts of water and 1 part of the cleaner. So I just do that. Clean your scissors. This is the one that I use to clean my household materials, clean your bathroom, clean the table. That's what you use. And that one bottle there will last me for about 6 months. Last time I used it, it's more than 6 months because Bruce wasn't here. Now that he's here, he wastes a lot of my cleaning product. How you cut is like that. See there? Cut. Because it's too long. Cut. Cook it for 7 minutes. These are not the same as the vermicelli rice noodle. If you cook for 7 minutes for the vermicelli noodle, when you come back, your vermicelli noodle will become soup. This is not the same, okay? This is sweet potato noodle. And then we put it in the middle. There you go. Give it a mix. This is spinach. Mix. And our meat is already cooked. I put some mushroom in here, but I forgot the name of the mushroom. Let me take a look. Shiitake. Shiitake. Drop it here. Drop it right there. Put a little bit more of sesame seed oil into your noodle. A little bit. Into your noodle, you put a little bit of soy sauce. I put 1 teaspoon with my 8 ounces of noodle. 8 ounces dry. Give it a mix. This is good for 4 people. 4. But if you're hungry, maybe 2. Maybe 3. Mix it. I know. It's hot. And then you put some, see the egg, the yellow egg, I cooked it earlier, okay? Fry. Right there. And then put some sesame seeds. Sesame. Sesame. And fresh peppercorn. Da-da-da. Don't forget to infuse your japchae with citrus essential oil. Infuse it, make it very fresh, and it makes you very happy, uplifting. Then I'm gonna plate it to a beautiful looking plate. It's ready to cook, it's ready to eat. Right there. Beautiful, isn't it? And then add a little bit more of sesame seed every time you plate something. There you go. That's all for tonight. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe down the bottom, down the bottom.